I started squatting daily without any big plan, just 5 minutes here and there, but over time something unexpected happened. My body woke up, my back stopped aching, my hips stopped cracking, my joints felt younger. If you feel stuck in your body, stiff in the morning or tight after sitting for hours, this could be your way back to comfort. Day 1. It won't feel natural. Your ankles might feel locked, your knees uncertain. That's okay. We've unlearned this posture by sitting too much. Start small. A few seconds here, a minute there. Hold on to something for balance. Let your body relearn. Days 2 to 3. This is when doubt creeps in. It might feel worse before it feels better. Your legs shake, your spine complains, your patience thins. But that discomfort, it means your body is working. Keep going, even in short bursts. Associate it with daily habits: brushing teeth, scrolling, cooking. Day 7. Something shifts. Your hips unlock, your balance improves. You don't need to hold on anymore. Your body begins to remember, this isn't just an exercise anymore. It's relief. It feels oddly right. Before we get into the next part, if you want to actually transform your strength and movement for real life, this channel is where you need to be. I'm here to bring you practical workouts and expert tips that build real, lasting power. No fluff, no hype. So hit subscribe and join a community focused on getting stronger, moving better, and owning every day. Alright, let's get back into the video. Days 7 to 14. Now it becomes a challenge. Can you squat 20 or even 30 minutes a day? Not in one go. Spread it out while texting, watching TV, waiting in line. Squatting becomes your new sit. Every time you do it, you restore mobility, rebuild trust with your joints. Day 30. You're moving differently. Sitting in a chair feels stiff. Squatting feels natural. You do it without thinking, in the kitchen, on walks, during conversations. You've unlocked a new gear. Your body is no longer fighting movement, it's flowing with it. Days 50 to 100. Now it's part of your identity. Your digestion feels smoother, your hips are open, your spine moves freely. You don't fear getting up from the floor, you welcome it. This isn't exercise anymore. It's how you live. And maybe, just maybe, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. This one habit rewires the body, not with force, but with familiarity. You don't need to lift heavy. You don't need a gym. You just need to return to what your body was always meant to do. Movement isn't just therapy, it's memory. Bring it back, one squat at a time.